Tutorial Using Variables in the Network Topology. Variables may also be applied to device display names. However, care must be taken when assigning variables to device display names because the resultant device display name in the answer network must match the device display name in the user network. To change the display name to a variable, type the variable name in double brackets. For the source PC, use PC name 1. For the destination PC, use PC name 2. To make sure the variables are the same for initial and answer networks, go to the initial network and click Copy from Answer Network. To see the result, use the Test Activity button. Click Reset Activity to see the names change. The change of device names in the workspace will be reflected in the assessment tree as well. This ends the Using Variables in the Network Topology tutorial.